Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Aditya's Creation. Today's video is a very special video because today is a Chath Puja special video and today I'm going to teach you how to make this easy Chath Puja drawing. So let's get started without further ado. So as you can see, our drawing is ready. Now I'm going to fill in colors. Now I have filled colors and you can also fill it like that, or you can do according to your wish. And this was a little Chhat Puja drawing. Hope you like it. If yes, then please hit the like button because I have created a really small video. Hope you like it. Also subscribe to my channel if you like it, and also click the bell icon so you never miss a video that is coming from my channel. I upload every Tuesday, and I meet you in my next video. Till that time, take care and bye bye and happy Chhat Puja.